Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jay. This video kind of fits in with my Bible journaling series and is talking about a class that I'm taking this year. So if that's interesting to you, feel free to hang out. If you want a crafting video, check out basically anything else on the channel that doesn't have like the Bible study thumbnail. Anyway, to jump right in, I'm taking the Bethel Bible Series. It's a class that endeavors to give you sort of an overview of the entire Bible as a connected work. So it's really geared to give you sort of a lot of breadth, which at least in my church, you don't really get on like your weekly Bible study because usually that's kind of going deeper into like whatever readings are happening that upcoming Sunday. Anyway, so that's that. And there are two ways you can basically take it. You can take it directly through the Bethel Bible Series organization. And the way that that works is they run a hybrid online and in real life class that, oh, and our cat might be joining us because, of course, he is. That runs from January until the beginning of December every year. So I got recommended this class from a church friend of mine who had taken it in the past, but it was in the fall, so I wasn't able to get in until this year. But when looking around, I saw a number of the lectures which are online, which I encourage you to look at if you're interested in, the specifics of like how the lecture itself would feel. And I thought I'd talk through the materials I've received and also the way my class is structured. There's basically two ways you can take the class. One is directly through the Bethel Bible Series organization, which is actually located here in Madison. So like I can also attend a in-person class anytime I want. Um, because they are the actual Bethel Church is about, I don't know, 5 miles from my house. Anyway, so you can take it through them directly, which is offered in sort of a hybrid Zoom and in person if you want option. And then the other thing they do is train teachers. So you may also have come to this because someone's teaching it at your church. And there's some of those lectures that are available online. So feel free to check those out. My class is being team taught by Jeff Quinto and Dave, the administrative assistant for Bethel Bible Series. But most of the lectures I've seen online have been sort of like a single teacher. So basically, the way that the weeks work, I'll just get into this a little bit and whack my microphone. You can see from sort of our master schedule. Actually, let me grab. So this is my schedule, but you also get with your materials a master schedule. So like we did the intro, and then for this week, basically the core reading is the first half of Genesis. So you can see that we're reading a whole bunch, and any week with a B on it, there's a secondary assignment essentially. And the general format of the this material is, and I added the pockets, but the general format here is that you will for every week whoops, I skipped a page. You have an assignment sheet and you would do the assignment and then have the lecture essentially. So it works a lot like a reading comprehension course or a literature course in that sense, where you're basically doing all the reading ahead of time, and then you're going to hear about the concepts within the stuff you just read. So um, here you see we have a bunch of questions about beginning of Genesis, and then pulls in a few selective psalms, and then you have some memorization at the end. And the core of the actual program itself are these paintings essentially, which are tied back to differing concepts, right? Here you can see God creating the world and humans having dominion over it, etc. Um, so that next to this page, you get all your core concepts, and then you have, I'd say, probably 3 or 4 pages of like a more in-depth kind of explanation. So I read all this for next week because today is Wednesday and the class is on Saturday. But that's basically how all the materials work. When I got this, essentially I got the binder and I got the black and white pages like this, and then I got the colored pages as three different things, and it took, I don't know, maybe 15 minutes to put it together. The other piece here that you're probably not seeing, unless editing me throws a screenshot in here at some point, is there's a online component here, which is run through teachable.com, which is a e-learning platform. But if you used Blackboard or Teachable or anything like that in the past, like any kind of e-learning platform, it's pretty much what you'd expect. You basically have modules, and then there are quizzes every 3 units or so, and those are done through the online platform. But you also get the materials. I've also heard that some churches that do it entirely in person will basically like give you the empty binder and then give you the materials on sort of a per week basis. So I would say I didn't talk about the cost of this. It's 125 to get the materials, and it's 50 if you already have the materials. So it's pretty inexpensive for what turns into, a year's worth of lectures. So um I'm really enjoying it thus far. Obviously, we haven't really gotten through. We haven't gotten it. We're just starting, so I may do some update videos. But I just wanted to sort of give an overview of how the class is working for me. There was also a Lutheran church out of New Mexico that has a pretty extensive lecture series on it, which I was really enjoying as I was trying to get my head around. Well, what does this actually feel like? So I will link that playlist as well in the video description. But if you made it this far, thanks for checking it out. I just wanted to kind of give a overview because I probably will mention it a lot in upcoming faith journaling things, and this way you can see essentially what you would have and how like what the materials would look like. The Jeff and Dave are fantastic lecturers. Actually, I think every all the lectures I've seen online have been really good too. So, um, I would definitely, if you're doing it through your church, you may be able to get a sense of who the lecturer is to see if it's somebody you would want to listen to 50 hours, want to spend 50 hours of time with in your year. But anyway, thanks for checking this out. I will talk to you guys later, and I may make this into a playlist if I do like update videos once we get to sort of like a few more lessons in, just to let you know how it's going. Anyway, thanks for checking it out. Talk to you later. Bye.